Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sea of Thieves as a beginner. To begin your pirate adventure, first decide on your ship. A sloop is perfect for solo players or a duo, offering easy handling. Next, complete the maiden voyage tutorial. It's a fantastic way to grasp the core game mechanics without pressure. Once you're ready, head to an outpost and pick up your first voyage from a trading company. Before setting sail, always stock up on crucial supplies like cannonballs, wood, and food from barrels around the outpost. Understanding your ship is key to survival. Practice raising and lowering your sails, and remember to adjust their angle to catch the wind efficiently. The map table in your ship's lower deck is vital for plotting your course to your next adventure. Always be vigilant. Scan the horizon for other pirate crews or environmental hazards. If your ship takes damage, quickly repair holes with wood planks and use your bucket to bail out any incoming water to prevent sinking. Combat is an inevitable part of pirate life. Master your cutlass for swift melee attacks and your firearms for ranged engagements. When facing other ships, aim your cannons strategically at their hull to create holes or at their mast to slow them down. Boarding an enemy vessel can disrupt their crew and stop repairs, giving you a significant advantage. Beyond other pirates, be ready for encounters with skeleton ships, the monstrous kraken, or the formidable megalodon. As you adventure, you'll earn gold and reputation. Successfully completing voyages for the Gold Hoarders, Order of Souls, or Merchant Alliance will reward you handsomely. Always return to an outpost to sell your hard-earned treasure chests, cursed skulls, and valuable cargo. Use your gold to customize your pirate's appearance and deck out your ship with unique cosmetics. Increasing your reputation with the various trading companies will unlock more challenging voyages and prestigious titles, marking your journey as a true pirate legend.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.